Chairman of Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, Akamjoy Kumar, has assured to implement a grading system for students who appeared HSLC exam this year in accordance with National Education Policy NEP 2020 guidelines. He also urged national and international players who were unable to appear examination to claim at Bosem office so that they could reappear the examination. Speaking to media during a press conference held today at Bosem's Hall at Babupara, Joy Kumar stated that grading system will be implemented from this year following a general body meeting as instructed by Secretary of Education Department of the state. He highlighted the advantages of grading system over percentage system and assured to take initiative for the players who were unable to attend examination due to the collision with national and international tournaments. He also mentioned that the results of HSL's examination will be announced in May.
Manipur government Secretary Education Department grading system standing order ma board ki maikaita thambirakle maram aduna hariba order si ngarang aikoi ki board ki member general body phamaga masigi chi yamna kupna khana nainare aduga loina na masigi endorse tawdana aikoi adoption tawba masi government na hariba se induna hantaki chahi lakadoriba result se 2024 ki ICSE exam sindagi chanaba hawai na yanagre अकोई सिस्टम असिना मरम ओरगा अंगांग सिंगदा यामना स्ट्रेस बर्डन ओरबदु खरा हंदरकनी हाइना अकोई लौजै जून और जुलाई स्वाइदा तौबा परीक्षा अमा ममांगदा अकोई कंपार्टमेंटल हाइना तौरबदु इंप्रूवमेंट एग्जाम हाइबा टाइटल तौरगा अकोई अदुगी इंप्रूवमेंट एग्जाम लेरगनी